Hey girl, hey. So we got a half wig from ISEE Hair today. How cute is this packaging though? Like, stop it. So freaking cute. So we have a melting band. So have an adjustable elastic band to hook on your wig if you need. And some wig caps. The wig comes packaged like this. Does it have any details on it? All right, so it's 24-inch and it's kinky straight. Kinky straight 24. Oh my God. We got a lot of hair over here, y'all. Oh my God, I have the cutest little ladybug crawling on my mirror behind you guys. It's so cute. She's been hanging out with me the whole time I've been filming. Okay, so this wig smells good. She smells good. Okay, so let's get into the construction of the wig. We got four combs left and right, one right in the middle and one at the bottom, also with a drawstring that is perfect. And then we have a adjustable elastic band. Hold on, let me go ahead and take this tag off real quick. All right, so we got, look at how much hair is on this wig, y'all. Okay, so you don't have to have too much hair out. I already have my hair already sectioned out around the perimeter. So I'm all prepped and ready. The hair is tangle free. It feels so soft. It's so fluffy and airy. Lots of body. Look at all that movement, you guys. Oh my gosh, she is stunning. And this wig smells good. It almost smells like perfume. I never had a wig smell like this before, but it smells really good. It's nice and long. Look how, oh my, it's gonna be so long. But okay, yes, so let's go ahead and get into it. It should be pretty easy to install, but I am gonna go in and curl it or flat iron it. I'm gonna try to put in a couple different styles to share with you guys. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into this baby. She is beautiful. Okay, you ain't missing no bundles in this wig. No bundles have gone missing. Okay, she is full. Okay, I curled the hair with my curling wand. It turned out really, really pretty. The hair is really super full. Let me show you guys what the back looks like real quick. Absolutely gorgeous though. Love it. It turned out really, really well. I just put like some little swoops on my natural hair. But yes, this hair looks absolutely gorgeous. I hope I gave you guys a couple of ideas on how to style this wig, and I'm sure you can do more. But yes, the hair turned out really, really beautiful. I love it. I will have all the information to this wig in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. Also, let me know how you guys feel about this wig in the comments below. Is she giving? She's definitely giving for me. This is almost giving glam hair. This is definitely giving glam hair, actually. Let me just go ahead and say it. It's so voluminous and beautiful. But yes, thank you everybody for coming to my channel. Thank you again, ISEE Hair, for sponsoring this video and sending over this wig to me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.